What would you do if your dream job suddenly came with an entry fee of 90 lakh rupees?
Donald Trump's H-1B new fee of $100,000.
Visas is a significant issue for India.
This is now the reality for Indians chasing the H-1B visa. What was once the most valuable work visa for Indians has turned into one of the world's most expensive gambles. And just as the US has started closing its doors, another superpower opened theirs by announcing a new program. On October 1st, China announced a new work visa that could become a fresh base for many Indian engineers and scientists. This visa requires no sponsor, no job offer, and it is aimed directly at young Indian tech talent. At the same time, Germany, the UK, and Canada are also competing to attract this workforce into their economies. For the first time, Indians aren't tied down to one dream. You now get the chance to choose where you want to build your future in the global market. The real question is no longer how do I get into the United States, but which country actually wants me. For decades, the H-1B visa was the bridge. It connected an Indian engineering student to a career in Silicon Valley. In September 2025, that bridge collapsed. The US government imposed a $100,000 fee on every new H-1B application. That means a company has to pay close to 90 lakh rupees just to apply. And it doesn't stop there. The lottery itself was redesigned. It was no longer random. Instead, it was weighed by salary. A level 4 executive gets 4 entries, while a level 1 graduate only gets 1. For thousands of students and early career professionals, the odds of getting selected have been cut in half. Put together with the fee, the signal is clear. The US is no longer betting on young Indian talent anymore. At the same time, a global powerhouse is charting a new course. On October 1st, China introduced the K visa, which is one of the most straightforward work visas to exist. If you are between 18 and 45 with a STEM degree, you can apply. You don't need a sponsor or job offer. You can move to cities like Shenzhen, explore jobs, meet people in tech, and create opportunities on your own. This comes with its own downsides. China does not provide a clear pathway to permanent residency or citizenship. The language barrier is significant, and the infamous 996 work culture can be exhausting. And this is the reason the K visa should not be seen as a permanent home. It can be a stepping stone to gain international exposure in a high-tech ecosystem to build your own career. But what if you want stability? If you're looking for a clear path forward, then the smartest move is to look at Germany. Germany has a 2-part system, which is specifically designed for Indian talent. The first part is the Opportunity Card or Chance Card. A 1-year visa lets you move to Germany first and then find a job. By qualifying this, you'll get a full year to network and to interview in Europe's strongest economy. Once you have that job offer, you move to the second part, the EU Blue Card for long-term residency. The salary requirements are very reasonable, especially for IT and other in-demand jobs. The Blue Card is the fastest path to permanent residency. You can get it in as little as 21 months. The UK is approaching things differently. The skilled worker visa now requires a salary above £41,000, which clearly targets senior professionals. The UK also has a global talent visa for people endorsed as leaders or rising stars in fields like tech and science. This path can lead to permanent residency in as little as 3 years, but the chances of selection remain very slim. And while the UK has also introduced a high potential individual visa, none of the approved universities are in India. So that route is effectively closed to most Indian graduates. For professionals who qualify, it remains one of the strongest routes in the world. It allows you to live and work across England, Scotland, Wales, and North Ireland. After 5 years, you can apply for permanent settlement, called indefinite leave to remain. Then there is Canada, the steady option in North America. Canada already has a point-based entry system. But the real advantage for Indians is the provincial nominee program. Provinces such as Ontario, British Columbia, and Alberta run special tech draws. If they select you from the express entry pool, you gain an extra 600 points. That practically guarantees permanent residency. It is one of the clearest and most direct routes to get a new passport. Germany is your stable blueprint to build a life. Canada is your safe bet for a new passport. China is your high-risk, high-reward experience. And the UK is your VIP club once you have gained experience. The H-1B fee hike might look like a crisis, but it's actually an opportunity. For the first time, the world is openly competing for Indian talent. You are no longer dependent on a lottery system. Still, America's story isn't over. Its influence does not stop with the H-1B. What about the US tourist visas? Are those next in line for stricter rules? Or do they still hold their quiet power, giving access to many countries across the world? I'll break it down in the next episode. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to Atlas Explorer, India's #1 travel channel.